So ito ba magtatanong ka lang sa amin?
Well, pwede din ba kayo
Discussion.
magtanong?
Discussion
naman
rin
ito.
siya. Okay, sige.
Kasi like for the longest time, the SOGI Equality Bill, initially I think the first drafts of this was anti-discrimination bill.
Yep.
Has not passed like
Several,
30 years. Like kasing tanda ko siya. For some reason, I don't know.
30?
Kasing tanda ko rin pala siya. Tanda nyo na pala.
Sige na nga, hindi na ako magpapanggap na Gen Z. But yeah, it was like, I'm 35, but this is like around 32 years
Yeah.
na. So parang, why do you think we have not passed it? Because I think, I know, there would be claims na, may mga laws na tayo that protects the community. So, do you agree that we have sufficient laws and policies that do protect the community? Or what are your thoughts about this?
Sino mauuna?
Hindi ako.
Hindi rin ako. Noel, ikaw yata ito.
Say mo.
Siyempre, nagsabi sila na hindi ako. Ano magagawa ko? Diba?
Ako po si Pura Luca Vega, ang inyong lingkod, at nagbabalik po ang Bar Beshi with our hosts.
This is Lay!
Ako si JP.
At ito naman si Noel. Ang ganda-ganda ng intro na yan.
Yes, pinaghirapan ko yun.
Nagirapan niya.
Appreciate ko yun.
Impromptu siya.
On the spot ang guest na hindi na guest ngayon.
Then because diba? Because we have a professional entertainer,
Yes.
artist as a guest, sulitin natin.
Tama yan. Tama. Gusto ko yung word the professional.
Hello, Luca. Kumusta ka
Yes,
naman mula
okay naman.
10 minutes ago?
Kaya naman. Okay lang.
Ang malaya. Ang malaya.
Ang malayang si
Malayang.
Luca.
O yung magandang title yun, Ang Malayang si Pura Luca Vega.
Oo, ang malayang si Pura Luca.
Parang the emancipation of Mimi.
Pwede naman.
Oh, ang ganda.
Oo, Taray,
Oo,
Mariah
ganun.
Carey.
Tapos ang background music namin, I Can Make It Through the Rain.
Carey.
Oy, speaking of Mariah, dalawa yung mukha ni Aya sa EDSA, pare.
Si Beanie ba to? O, nasa Beanie conversation
Punong-puno nga.
na sila.
Punong-puno nga na Bini ang
Bini ang
EDSA.
Because they are
EDSA.
blooms.
Oh.
Itong dalawa.
Which kaka-celebrate lang ng
Ng anniversary
anniversary
ng mga
noong June 11.
Taray ko.
Happy
Taray
anniversary
naman
mga
ang
blooms.
Blooms.
Oh, lagi ko lang guys, you are grown men. These are children.
Again, we are respecting freedom of expression.
Sige na nga.
and admirers of the art.
Appreciation kasi.
But
Admirers
this
of the
is,
art.
this is a reminder to be more circumspect about your thoughts and comments.
Na-appreciate namin ang mga shagidi shop.
Oo, di ba? Oo. Alam na alam yung
Zuma
latest
dance.
single.
Sabi sila, diba?
Zuya dance.
Hindi ko nga alam kung ano yan. Hanggang ngayon, nasa pantropiko pa rin ako.
Oh my God. Out of my
salamin.
head na nga yung
Salamin,
click sa
salamin
akin
yan.
eh.
Ha?
Sobrang out of my head na yung favorite kong song nila lately kasi ang galing ng pagkakaproduce. Anyway,
Wow.
on the
Anyway.
technical aspect.
But
Okay,
did
go,
you
go.
know that most of the Beanie, like in terms of wardrobe, their makeup, puro mga bakla yung nag-aano dyan.
You know what? Having been in the industry somewhat,
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
I mean, realistically,
As a celebrity.
Oo, bilang
especially-
dating parte ng
Stick
Star
together,
Magic.
right?
exactly. And coming from this background,
Yeah.
you have to acknowledge really the most creative people are yung mga bakla.
Yes.
Grabe
Oo.
the imagination and the conceptualization pagdating sa outfit, sa look, mga ganyan, di ba?
Saka there was an event, di ba, na bigla silang lumabas sa stage ng isang bar. Pero nakita ko yun sa feed ko.
Yes.
Sumayaw sila. Ay,
nag-
di ata sila kompleto. Pero
Pumupunta rin kasi sila sa mga drag shows wherein some of the...
talaga?
Oo, kasi yung mga drag queens din na fan ng Beanie, nagpe-perform din ng Beanie songs.
Ikaw ba, di mo naisip pag Beanie ever in your repertoire?
Nag-try ako.
Ano nangyari?
Nagganon-ganon lang ako. No, but I like Beanie, but hindi ko rin may pagkakaila na within my contemporaries, there's a bigger fan.
Okay.
So bigay ko na
Give
sa
mo
kanila.
na sa kanila
Oo,
yan.
like kasi girl, may talagang nagde-design ng same outfit.
Ala!
Ganon yung pagmamahal nila sa
Sa beanie.
Oh, di ba?
So, it's
Oh.
also contributory to, I think, how popular beanie is. It
Yeah.
also infiltrates the drag community.
Kung meron kang
Ano?
beanie na i-impersonate
Sino bang beanie?
Sino
Ano
ba tanong?
mo?
Kay Noel tong
Kay
tanong?
Noel.
Sino yung favorite mo sa
Una
kanila?
muna ha, kung gusto
Bias.
nyo nga pala kung makita kung gaano ka bini nga pala muna si JP, panoorin nyo yung Rex Wrap-Up episode.
Kasi sumasayaw,
Sumasayaw siya
doon. Si JP
Ako?
pa di man lang ako eh.
Sino ba bias
kung,
mo dun?
kung meron akong gustong i-personify in this
Oo.
kulit paring galing kumanta.
Really?
Oh, kulit.
Alay, Gwen
kanta talaga sa kanta.
Tsaka halos magkakulay kami. Hindi Oh, yan. Kulit.
Kaya ba di talaga ako makarelate? I don't even know their faces.
Really?
Si
I
Kulit.
cannot
Tsaka
end that
bias
issue.
ng asawa ko si Kulit eh. Kaya,
I just like Gwen's energy.
Talaga.
Oo.
lakas ni Gwen lately, pare.
Oo, minsan nonchalant siya pero pag nagkaroon siya ng burst of energy.
Lakas eh. Lakas.
Exactly.
Ang kilala ko lang si Beanie Maloy kasi for some reason her face is so memorable.
She is, I think, one of the most
Bias ni-
popular.
Bias si
Kasi, you know,
JP.
she's not your conventional pretty.
Ah.
But she's parang, uy, tumatatak eh. Diba?
Siguro kasi siya yung marerelate mo kung i-relate mo ang Beanie sa K-pop. Siya yung pinaka-K-pop.
Ah, talaga?
Yung itsura.
I do
Itsura.
agree.
Yeah,
I agree.
Asian type na maputi,
Yeah.
na makulay yung costume. ganyan.
Uy, tama na to.
Oh,
Ay,
pero
sorry,
ano,
sorry.
pero
May podcast na tayo.
yeah, Beanie appreciation episode
My
na naman to.
God.
Pero guys, kung gusto nyo pang kung gusto nyo kaming i-follow sa IG kami, Barbeshies. Kung gusto nyo kaming puntahan sa Facebook, Barbeshies pa
Kala ko
rin.
puntahan sa bahay.
Wag! Kung gusto nyo tingnan ang aming mga TikTok Reels na hinahandle ni JP, nasa bar.beshies kami. Tapos just look us up sa Spotify, sa Apple Podcast, sa Listen Notes, and wherever you find your podcast, kung nandun man kami. Tapos, email nyo kami sa barbeshies@gmail.com and share away using #barbeshies.
Ikaw, Mamsh.
Well, you can look at my website. It's artofplv.com. Tara!
Ang layo niya sa Barbeshies. Art of
Pero
PLV.
meron din ako podcast na babalikan ko na lang yung podcast ko. Para isang taon na kasi ako walang pinopost. But yeah.
Yeah, okay.
mm.
Ayun, yun nga pala. Gusto ko rin lang uli naming pasalamatan yung Manoko-Loko dahil pinakain nila kami.
Yes. Thank you, Manokoloko.
Yan. Alright.
And,
And of
also, wait
course-
lang, papasalamatan ko rin lang ang ating mga assistants for today.
Yay!
Diba? Thank you to Malcolm and to Jenna na nagpakaladkad today for today's recording.
Oh,
Yan
yan
sila.
sila. Paralegal pa rin nila. Paralegal. Oh, after hours na pero yan. Si Malcolm. Yeah.
Ako natupad na ang pangarap ni Malcolm na mag-appear sa Barbeshies. Salita ka.
Kulang pa, dapat guest ako.
Demanding.
Demanding to demanding.
Nangangarap eh. Sige.
Oh, okay. Oh, we're still with
Hindi, saka yun. Dito tayo ngayon sa I Am Creative Studios.
Yes.
So, if meron sa inyo, you want to record a podcast like kami, you can visit them here sa Annapolis Drive, Green Hills.
Sa Green Hills. Yeah. And we're still with Pura Luca Vega.
At
Yes,
may gagawin
bro.
tayong bago for today's episode.
Yes.
Maiba naman, di ba?
Ano yun, Mamsh? Bitaw mo, Mamsh.
Kasi okay, kaya ko lang naman naisip ito kasi I'm currently working under Rainbow Rights, which is an NGO that provides legal assistance and services for the LGBTQIA plus community that may require legal assistance. Like, kunwari, if they were discriminated. Now, since
Hala.
I have very competent and very good-looking lawyers in front of me,
Aww. Kinilig lang ako.
Pwede ba very looking lang? Wala.
Actually, gumanon siya. Sabi niya, very competent and good looking. Tapos amin tumingin.
Oh, sige. Papayagan ko.
Yun, parang feeling ko this is such an opportune time to ask your insights of where we are in terms of laws and policies that protect the LGBTQIA plus community.
Nice. Okay, sige. We'll try to answer
The queries.
not in an inane manner.
Yeah.
Uy, ano ibig sabihin ng inane?
Ha?
Anong
Search na lang
inane?
natin. For now,
mukhang-
ganun muna tayo. Yeah. Yeah.
walang sense. Mukhang walang inane. Parang bakit mo ginawa yan? Napaka-inane yan. Parang
I will use inane in a sentence one of these days.
Spell mo muna kasi baka mali yung pagkakaspell.
Bubu! Hindi.
Kakainis.
Okay. Sige, go.
Okay, well, ayun.
So ito ba yung magtatanong ka lang sa amin?
Well, pwede din naman kayo
Discussion.
magtanong.
Yan,
Discussion
discussion
naman
pa rin
ito.
siya.
Okay.
Okay, sige.
Kasi like for the longest time, the SOGI Equality Bill, initially I think this was the first drafts of this was anti-discrimination
Yeah.
bill,
Yep.
has not passed like
Several,
30 years. Like
ano
kasing
na.
tanda
Yeah.
ko siya. For some reason, I don't know.
30?
Kasing tanda ko rin pala siya.
Tanda nyo na pala.
Sige na nga, hindi na ako magpapanggap na Gen Z. But yeah, it was like, I'm 35, this is like around 32 years
Yeah.
na. So parang, why do you think we have not passed it? Because I think, I know, there would be claims na, may mga laws na tayo that protects the community. So, do you agree that we have sufficient laws and policies that do protect the community? Or what are your thoughts about this?
Sino mauuna?
Hindi ako.
Hindi rin ako. Noel, ikaw yata ito.
Say mo.
Siyempre, nagsabi sila na hindi ako. Ano magagawa ko? Diba? Hindi. As a person, okay? As a person, there are lots of laws that protects the rights of a human.
Supposedly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Pero as to the specifics of being a member of the LGBTQIA++ community, kinumpleto ko hindi siya specific. Walang specific law as far as I remember na specifically binibigyan sila ng protections and rights just because they are part of the community.
Okay.
So that is why pinupush nga yung SOGI Equality Bill,
Yes.
ganyan. Pero bakit hindi pa siya naipapasa?
Yeah.
Okay. Kasi yung mga sensibilities kasi ng people from the Congress. Meron kasi silang interest, meron din mga lobbyists yan na pinoprotektahan din nila yung interest, and they are also being human, they also have their beliefs and sensibilities. Sa Congress kasi bago ka makapagpasa ng batas, parang majority rules din kasi lalo sa lower house.
Okay.
Majority rules sa lower house, kailangan pumasa siya ng third reading and marami dapat mag-yay dyan. Majority of it.
Di ba historically, meron supposedly nagpasa na siya?
In the
Or-
house, I guess.
Ang problema kasi sa house, pag hindi siya, kunyari, naipasa na siya at the third reading, okay?
Aha.
Tapos umakyat siya sa Senate, and then the Senate doesn't
Act
get
on it.
a version or act on it.
Yeah.
It doesn't continue.
Yeah.
Oo. So,
Ulitin ko ito Senate na to Yung
I think-
mandatory drug testing. Wala lang.
I think the problem with SOGI is it's languishing somewhere. Depende sa kung pang ilang congress na siya. Like, tama nga like yung sinabi mo, the most that it went was pumasa siya sa House.
Yes.
Pero kasi in the process of legislating laws kasi, House is just the first step.
Yeah.
So, si Senate, it will check if are we gonna adopt the version of the House?
Ah.
Do we have our own version? If the Senate has their own version, magbabicameral conference committee pa sila to harmonize.
Yep.
Saka ulit aakit sa Senate and then bobotohan. Di ba parang it's such a long and tedious process.
Pero
Kaya to yung nagla-languish siya somewhere
pero the problem there is, yung pagka, kunyari sabihin na natin nasa bicam na, yung bicameral kasi, konting tao na lang yung nag-uusap dyan. Yung sa konting tao na yun, hindi pa sila mag-agree.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
bakit nagkakaganon? It's the people's or the members of that bicameral committee. That is their call. So, ano yung sensibilities nila?
Ako siguro at the end of the day, everything is political.
Oo
No?
Oo.
If you ask me bakit hindi siya mapasa, it's because probably the population, the voting population
Yeah.
is not accepting it.
Yet.
Kasi
Oo.
mapapasaya ng Congress kung yung voting population tanggap
Pero ako,
yung bill na yan.
naniniwala ako nasa political will din siya ng speaker and Senate President. Kasi tingnan mo yung nangyari dun sa impeachment. Dumere-diretso, di ba? Sa House.
Correct.
Because there was some
Oh, yeah.
political machinations that happened there.
Pero tama din naman. Parang feeling ko may factor yung political will
Oo.
for it to actually be
Kasi if we are in a community where, kasi alam naman natin, di ba, dominated tayo by Roman Catholics. That's a percentage of your voting population. And then you go south, nandun naman yung mga Muslim brothers natin.
yes.
Which, both religion, merong apprehension dyan sa community. Diba? Na hindi nila sinusupport. Ayan yung voting population mo. Now, if you take a stance against your voting population as a congressman, it could affect your vote. No? Lalo kung palapit ka na doon sa election. So, doon ka na lang sa majority para safe yung spot mo. Doon din mapasok yung saan papasok ngayon yung political will ng kandidato. Ano ba talaga yung nire-represent niya? So, malaking bagay sa tingin ko yung voting population, and doon din papasok yung mga instances, yung mga ginagawa nyo na maliliit na bagay para yung community starts accepting na norm to, that we are not, dapat hindi iba yung LGBTQ community sa ibang mga tao because pare-pareho lang tayo ng rights dapat.
Yeah.
Yep.
Question. May familiar ba tayo kung merong party list na para sa community?
Natanggal na.
There used to be.
Natanggal.
There used
Anong
to
party
be.
list?
Ang ladlad.
Ladlad.
Wala na siya.
Nawala na siya.
Oh,
I think because, correct me if I'm wrong ha,
Yeah.
I think because they realized that they had this decision that the LGBTQ community was not a sector. Parang ganon. Kasi diba pag for party
And
list,
the Duterte youth is? Charot.
natanggal na.
Anymore!
As of
Duterte
today.
olds na sila.
Okay.
Oo. But that's pretty sad, diba? That's
It is,
for
it
me,
is.
very, nag-regress tayo doon.
Yeah, I think I would want to see changes in that because I do think that it is still a sector that needs to be recognized. I also would kind of think that if we're looking at majority sensibilities, parang feeling ko din naman there is such a thing as a gay vote.
Yeah.
Marami yan. Like, marami din naman bakla sa Senate, I'm sure.
Bigla ko napaisip sino nga ulit yung nandun.
Anyway. But,
Siguro may mga staff, may mga advisor yan.
yes.
diba?
Oo naman, yeah. A point ko is, they're everywhere. They're so integrated with society. So I think we just have to recognize that in terms of numbers, we're not as
Negligible.
yeah. Like we're a strong population. Kaya nga siguro I've seen that there are a lot of also politicians even in the local LGUs that have recognized this and even supported like
Yeah.
safe spaces or
Yung right to care.
Right to care. So parang because they know na marami ding
I think it's more
botante,
prevalent sa local sa
Yep.
local government.
Mm-mm.
For example, in QC.
Yeah.
Diba? Si Mayor Joy has been really
And
Yeah.
recently, I think
San
San Juan.
San Juan.
and San Juan.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kaya mas importante yung kilalanin mo yung local kaysa sa ano eh. Pero eto siguro in the aspect na the bigger possibility of the SOGI bill to be passed
Yep.
is kasi sa politics kasi yung government natin is a representative government.
Mm.
So kung representative government yan, pwede mong sabihan kasi yung representative mo na please.
Ito ang
Yeah,
gusto
yeah,
ko.
So you
Like,
have the community can lobby for it.
yes.
So yun nga, yung katulad nung sinabi kanina na kailangan na mas maging strong yung community, mas maging unified yung community, and you have to express it to your representative na please
Needed to.
needed to. Lalo na ngayon na the world is changing eh.
Mm.
'Di ba? And right now we can say that it's more accepting of the community. Why not give them The protection that you need.
Ako may thing ako kasi I think someone explained this to me. I don't recall if it was Maki. Soji actually is not just for the
Correct.
LGBTQIA
Yes,
plus
yes,
plus
yes.
community.
Yeah.
It's for everyone.
Yeah.
Kasi even if I am a straight female, that is my Soji.
Yes, yes.
Being a straight female in the same way that para sa inyo, straight male, di ba? So I don't know why there's so much of
Love
this
that.
issue about Soji.
I love that
Diba?
that you've mentioned that because even the earlier drafts of Soji, it was named as anti-discrimination law.
Precisely.
So supposedly, if you're discriminated based on being a woman,
Right.
like you're not able to enter this, when in fact your qualifications allow you to supposedly work or participate in whatever, then you can use the Soji bill
Precisely.
or the anti-discrimination bill.
I think kasi the focus on Soji, para siyang nafo-focus lang on LGBTQIA
Yes,
community.
yes. But
Which is parang medyo misleading din to a
Yes,
certain extent.
But
eh.
understandably so, because some people are being discriminated on the basis of their sexual orientation
Yeah.
Yes, and gender identity.
and expression. So I think there is a value to it. I think it's a matter of trying to make people see why. Kasi like I've said, this yung nag-Yossi break. Nag-Yossi break sila. Tanong ko is, gaano ba kadami ang discrimination case na handle nyo? Kasi kami sa NGO namin sa Rainbow Rights, marami talagang lumalapit. So hindi namin tsaka marami din namang publicized cases of discrimination and even up to a certain point death of
Yeah.
even trans people because of discrimination. Like it got so violent, like with the cases of Jennifer Laude
Yeah.
and marami well documented din naman. Pero sige nga, gaano ba ka-prevalent ang discrimination cases like from as little as haircuts to uniforms to all of these things.
Ako, I think ako yung pinaka mas may ma-experience.
Okay.
Kasi ako yung nag-litigation,
Ah.
may clients, diba?
Kasi itong isa company kasi itong isa. Ay ka pala. Company to isa.
Oh.
eh.
To be honest, not
Yes.
that often.
Mhm.
Because I feel like most of the time it gets shoved under the rug. Nagigets mo ba?
Okay.
Parang they'd rather not talk about it. Parang ganon.
See.
But we do have issues that come to us na parang like what to do with an employee that's trans, for example.
Yes.
Like what uniform do we ask this person to wear?
wear.
Ganyan.
Yeah.
Na parang umaakyat sa amin because it becomes an issue sa baba.
Yes.
'Di ba?
Mm.
And on that note, I'm like, well, I remember that particular instance. I had to get, I don't know, do you know Mela Habijan?
Yes. Mela.
We got Mela Habijan kasi Mela is my friend from college.
Love her so
We got
much.
her to talk to the entire company about Soji.
Love that.
Yeah, because
Okay.
in our mind, it's one thing for it to come from lawyers
Yeah.
but it's another for the message to come from someone, an influencer. That's really, parang advocacy talaga niya yon.
Yes.
So, on our end, yun na lang yung naging intervention namin to recommend to management that maybe we need the training.
Mm.
And then from there, you decide paano nyo i-resolve yung issue na yan.
So maybe because I think that now that you mention it, there's not much knowledge on where people like who are different or who are queer can go to if they do experience discrimination.
I think so too, yes.
No?
Especially in the more rural areas.
Yeah.
Kasi access to help might
Yeah.
not be that evident.
So parang
Right?
anong gagawin namin? So,
Diba?
para ba?
Actually, hindi
Sige,
ko rin alam. Kasi
paano
like,
ba?
for the bigger companies that have operations sa mga provinces,
Yes.
doon kasi nagsistart yung issues.
Yeah.
Na parang ganun. And I don't know exactly how to address that other than to just awareness advocacy campaigns, diba? But then again, just like my issue with GAD,
Gender,
gender and development
Yeah.
advocacies, parang very surface level.
Ako to that point while wala akong experience, kasi nga, hindi ako naglilitigate, I think, ang importance ng corporations where I work with as a corporate lawyer, importante na these bigger corporations recognize these opportunities as well to spread awareness. Na hindi mag-discriminate sa mga kumpanya nila, mag-celebrate even at the surface level, tatanggapin ko mag-celebrate kayo ng Pride Awareness Month in June.
Yep.
Meron kayong mga
Some companies do have
initiatives.
policies
Yes,
that
yes,
actually
oo.
protect
So,
naman
malaking bagay yun kasi even at the private capacity, in their private capacity, you're able to raise awareness. And I think kakailanganin kasi natin yan ng push from the community. That's one, di ba? Push from the private organizations and push from the government. So it goes hand in hand. Lahat yan kailangan magtulungan para maiangat natin and eventually maging katanggap-tanggap na oo, recognize namin at kailangan ng SOGI bill for more protection or for protection of these community.
Tama yan. We were gonna push. From the community po, we're pushing. Actually,
Pero, ma'am,
pinupush na nga. Sobrang push na po eh.
Pero ito, legit question.
yes.
Paano ba siya on the grassroots level?
Oo nga. Bilang mga noobs.
Parang, there's
Kasi it's like a
yeah.
behavior changing thing kasi, di ba?
Kind of, yes. And there's a study that says that most queer people have a tendency to report on discrimination if there are actually policies that allow them to report. So yung mga
May grievance machinery.
Correct. Like kunwari kapag like with progressive cities like QC for example, you can actually report if you're being discriminated kasi may localized version sila of ano. So it may not be a national one like the SOGI bill.
Pero meron silang kanila
Meron silang kanila. So, nai-empower yung queer people within the community na, okay, pwede kong idulog to dito. So, like what you said, maybe in some cities, in some like rural areas, hindi pa siya ganun ka develop. So, being queer at even if nadi-discriminate sila, parang they have probably accepted na parang, okay, maybe this is norm. So, yun yung parang gusto nating mabago na parang you don't have to put up with this.
Yes.
Yung parang ganon. Like, we would like to empower. So, I guess that's also why we have Pride because we want people to be empowered to stand up for their rights if they feel that they're already
But
discriminated.
it would be a good idea to bring Pride outside of Manila.
Yes, of course.
Oo, kasi like
Of
I feel
course.
like there are maraming mga batang bakla dyan that
Totoo.
will want to join and be free.
Correct. And I'm happy to observe that some universities have their own initiative to celebrate Pride on a different month.
Aww.
And then like in their own capacity, na parang like you know what, why not? Kasi parang feeling ko if within the schools they're able to recognize and accept who they are and celebrate it and also like fight, like have that push as what you've mentioned, then maybe in those little ways eventually it will grow and then pero ginagawa din naman siya ng ibang cities.
Pero Luca, no?
Yes.
Dahil nga napunta tayo dun sa local.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think it is important now that the people should hear na pagdating kasi sa local, mas malapit yung tao doon sa leaders nila eh. So, mas maganda talaga na makilala mo yung leaders within that local government unit, especially the councilors. Kasi sila yung gumagawa ng mga batas in the local scene which are called ordinances.
Correct.
So ngayon, kung hindi though merong political will talaga si Mayor Joy,
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Hindi magkakaroon ng recognition ng SOGI rights sa Quezon City kung wala siyang councilors.
Yeah. Yung mga within her
Yeah.
Wala siyang councilors. At yung mga councilors din, hindi yan mapupunta sa pwesto kung hindi sila binoto.
right.
Diba?
Which I-
So in that sense, parang let's forget the national scene a little.
yes.
Diba? Mas immediate yung local sa'yo. So, for that protection, at least within the local scene or within your city, municipality, or even the barangays,
Yep.
know your kagawads, know your councilors.
Love it. Love it. Love it.
Diba?
Love it. Love it. Love it.
At least, mas madali mo silang puntahan.
Okay,
Diba?
so nananawagan po ako sa lahat ng mga localities na nag-declare ng persona ng grata.
Ma'am,
Paki-cancel.
natatandaan mo pa ba kung ilan sila?
Natatanda ako sila.
Oh my God.
Kung meron mga bakla po doon sa mga localities mo na yan, please, i-fight niyo po ang inyong karapatan. Pakilapitan po ang mga councilors.
Paki-reverse ang resolution of persona non grata.
Okay lang, wala na akong pakailan kung reverse.
Wait lang. Alam mo yung pinaka-absurd doon? Di ba persona non grata ka sa Manila?
Yeah.
Di ba doon ka nakatira? Ano expect yun? Di siya umuwi?
Umalis na nga ako, di ba?
Pero hindi, just to clarify, pag sinabi yung persona non grata, in essence, papel lang yun.
Wala
Wala
naman siyang effect talaga.
Para, nag-explain naman sa akin to.
Hindi ka naman kinuyog ng mga kapitbahay mo,
Hindi
di
pa.
ba? Hindi pa.
Bawal ka dito!
Although, naalala mo nun, Mems, may funny kwento si Janelle. Kasi si Janelle yung nag-arrange ng bail nito. So si Janelle yung tumakbo all over the place para ilabas siya ng kulungan.
Yeah.
Tapos nakakatawa. Kasi parang syempre, kinailangan namin ng barangay certificate of residency. Ma'am, siya barangay captain mo, ang daming comment.
Well, entitled naman siya sa comment.
Pero certificate of residency, di-deny mo na.
Certificate of residency, ang dami po pong sinabi, nagmamadali na.
Diba? Liberty ang usapan, diba?
Pero tama yung, I think I like what you said about being local. Like also push through the efforts in the local level. The little things that they add up and they create something bigger. So I think if all of the queer people can be empowered to also influence the local government, and eventually it will trickle up.
Shower up.
Build yun, to have the push that you're saying a while ago, because for a really long time I think we're pushing naman eh. It's really more of like we want also to people na not necessarily queer to also help us. I think this is why sometimes allyship also matters when not straight people or the hetero people would recognize na hey, they're right about like them being on the
Speaking of allyship,
disadvantage.
ito naman yung medyo beef ko. Kasi I don't want to call myself, paano ba to? Hindi, alam kong alay ako, pero ayokong ibigay yung title na yon sa akin.
Okay.
Oh,
Why is that?
wala, feeling
Bakit ayaw mo
imposter
ng label?
syndrome.
Bakit ayaw mo ng label, ate?
Wala lang.
I think sa lahat ng allies dito, ikaw yung meron right? Kasi ikaw yung nagpawalang sala.
O nga, tapos sasabihin mo, hindi ka alay.
Oo. Bakit ayaw mo ng label?
Ayoko lang kasing alay ka, so dapat ganito ka, yung ganyan.
Yung
pero-
pala alay yun.
Alay, offering.
Pero
Offering pala.
I think kasi for me, it makes sense that women would see
Natural.
it. Oo, kasi there's an intersection
Yeah,
of
natural
of-
allies eh,
Yeah,
right? Because I think before you got there, we were there.
Yeah, the women have
Yeah.
already also expressed the patriarchal system not
Exact.
working anymore.
Ibagsak ang
The misogyny.
misogyny, ibagsak ang patriarchal system.
Yeah.
ganyan.
Buti na lang in touch ako sa feminine side.
Yes. Ay, pakita mo yung drag picture mo
Mamaya,
dito, ha?
mamaya.
Pero ito nga, ito yung point na gusto ko, Amy. Kaya
Yes.
minsan, parang nagtatampo ako minsan sa LGBTQIA community. Kasi I've also had experiences na because I understand that it's coming from a place of oppression.
Yes.
Everything is coming from a place of oppression. Pero sometimes, if magdi-disagree ka lang ng konti sa isang point,
Yep.
parang, di ka na namin alay, ganyan.
Correct.
Parang I
Actually,
feel a little
disappointed
bit
din ako sa LGBT
vilified.
community.
Alam mo,
No.
naalala ko dun sa isang discussion mo with one of the podcasts.
Charot lang yun. Okay, go.
Hindi kasi yung hindi ka ba na betray nung parang did you feel betrayed? Kasi I know na merong part ng community na
That did
within
not support.
politics.
Yeah.
Tapos sinabi nila na hindi dahil sa iyo parang mapapasa ito.
Yep. I think I know who you're referring to.
Sino?
I mean,
Yung kilala. Ba't di ko to alam?
beautiful siya, 'di ba? Beautiful siya.
Sure.
Pero
Okay, got
Pero
it.
I mean,
Okay.
'di ba? Dapat magkasangga tayo and
Yes.
then coming from you and right now I'm feeling the oppression eh.
And to be fair, napaka-influential pa niyang tao di ba?
I think when it's a Western way of thinking, Western talaga, or parang siguro we were conditioned to think that we have to be against each other, like women against
okay.
men against the LGBTQIA community. It's not that. It's really not that. In fact, we were supposed to see each other as human beings, as equals.
Yeah.
And hence, I don't take it against the community, but I also would like them to reflect more upon it. Tama din naman, I am sorry if some of the community have been so sensitive that, like, just because we disagree on certain things, it becomes like a permission to hate one another. It shouldn't be like that.
Dapat hindi, diba?
What I think is, kaya nga iniulit namin, kapag sinasabi namin LGBT rights, it's human rights.
Yeah.
We're no different from you guys, actually. So,
Sinabi rin ni Maki yan.
ayun. So, buti pa galing ni Maki.
Oh, Maki!
Maki, balik ka
Mag-message ka,
na.
Maki!
Pero yun, yung parang feeling ko, they wouldn't have this idea that when we're fighting for gay rights, kabaklaan siya, hindi. It's really human rights. I mean, even if we say LGBT, different letters, we're kind of going against the same thing, an oppressive system, a system that puts other people down on basis of just because they're different. So yeah, I think more of discussions of more. I think what's important is we get to discuss more of our similarities than our differences, and how that makes us human and what connects us within each other.
I think sometimes that is the challenge kasi, no? Parang the more that you want to educate,
Yep.
raise awareness, the more you become aggressive, to sometimes dismissive.
Yeah.
But we've seen that in the last presidential elections. That was one of the issues of the kakampings. Kasi
Masyadong rarara.
Na parang
Minaliit
dapat
na yung-
dapat ganito tayo. Yung mga hindi naniniwala sa atin,
Mali
bobo.
sila, bobo sila, ganyan.
80-80 sila.
And may ganong angulo din no? And I don't blame you for being like that. Kasi nga, for the longest time, you've been doing that. No? Siguro meron na rin
May frustration
may
siguro
frustration na rin
Yeah.
na bakit hindi pa rin kayo natututo, bakit ganyan ka pa rin mag-isip. And at the end of the day, you just really have to be both ways, no? You have to be patient.
And forgiving, I guess.
And forgiving, no? Na parang kung hindi nakakaintindi yung isang tao, pero sinusubukan naman niyang intindihin.
Yes.
And and through that process, magkakaroon ng mga disagreement. You have to respect that.
Yes.
At least nakikinig siya.
Correct.
Kesa dun sa dismissive lang talaga na
Love that. Yes.
And you know what we are right now is the sum total of the values that were ingrained upon us growing up.
Love this. Grabe.
Why
Some
am I so-
total of the values that we have
Some total.
that was ingrained upon us.
Ano ang formula
not
niyan sa
inane,
Excel?
That was not inane.
Not inane at all.
Kaya
Love that.
nga yung point ko is, parang especially when talking about Soji, sino ba kasi nagsabing man and woman lang? Diba? These are all social constructs which unfortunately were fed into our brains growing up. But if you think about it from more sociological perspective,
Yep.
may someone lang na nagpaniwala sa atin na ito lang dapat eh.
Yeah.
Yun lang naman yun eh.
Yeah.
Kasi sino ba ang final determinant of what is proper and right? These are all subjective.
These are social constructs that
Diba?
needs to be re-examined.
Diba?
Okay, kasi ganun naman din talaga yung parang katulad ng society dati, di ba, it evolved because someone or just the organization, one organization maybe,
Yeah.
said that it should be re-examined.
Yeah.
Doon nagkakaroon ng evolution, di ba? And doon nagkakaroon ng discourse.
Saka at the end of the day, it's not just the LGBTQIA+. Tama?
Yes.
That's right. That's fighting for these kinds of rights.
Yep.
Even women, sabi mo nga.
Yeah.
Hanggang ngayon, meron pa rin nilalabanan.
Diyos ko, utang na loob, pati nga PWD eh.
WD, diba?
Diba? Na parang yung issue na porket psychosocial ang disease o di naman halata,
Correct.
eh, ba't ka may
Oo,
discount? Diba?
Actually, anyone who's fighting for the oppressive system should be able to relate and should not go against like the LGBTQIA+ community. If you're really in true to who you are, should also fight for women's rights. Should also fight for PWD's rights, for all of these who are in the oppressed, because you know how it feels to be oppressed.
Yes.
So yung mga Andres Desaya, kailangan kasama
Oppressed
rin
din
dyan.
kayo.
Pare mo? Ha?
At ako.
Tama. I love you, babe.
Okay.
Di pinayagan kami lumabas ngayon, ha?
Thank you.
Pakarapatan nyo, no?
Paglaban natin.
Love that.
Minsan nga speaking of being allies, minsan nga intentionally ginagamit ko yung all gender restroom.
Talaga?
Wala lang.
Why not?
Kasi
Why
parang
not?
all gender siya eh.
Why not?
diba?
Why not?
Para sa mga tao
Doon,
na,
oo.
kahit sino pwedeng pumasok dyan. I don't
Sige.
care if I'm judged or not.
Kasi 'di ba may CR kasi sa Manila City Hall na LGBT CR.
Saan Manila yung sa
Oh, yung
katapat ng SM
pumunta ako
Manila?
doon nung 'di ba?
Bawal ka doon, persona non grata ka. Anong ginagawa mo doon?
Baka hulihin
Wala
ka ng
yun sa
gwardiya.
pwede ako pumunta. Pero kasi in a way, it also is a bit funny kasi kunwari pag gagamit ka ba ng CR, tatanungin ko bakla ka ba? Kasi kung bakla ka, pwede ka gumamit pero pag hindi,
Oo nga, no?
sorry.
Oo nga, no?
Diba? So,
Okay, gayahin mo yung itsura niya kalahati.
Kalahati
Palda,
lang. So, kakanta ka muna ng Endless Love.
Alam mo ba't ako natutuwa dun sa all gender? Kasi di ba
Ah.
yung mga PWD, yun din yung kinonvert nila eh. So dati wheelchair lang yan. Tapos ngayon
yep.
meron ng doble cara
Yes,
character.
yes.
So pasok ako dati nung wala pa yung doble cara character.
Ah.
Pag minsan emergency na talaga, alam naman natin yung pinakamalinis. di ba? Minsan nahihiya pa ako. Paglabas ko, ika-ika pa ako dyan. Emergency kasi. Wala akong choice eh.
Di ba parang mas malala yun?
Wait lang, may mga laws ba tayo?
Yan yung impersonation, pare.
Wait, sorry. Huwag lang share ko lang. Alam mo ginawa ko sa tatay ko one time? Senior siya. Walang parking. Papapark tayo sa handicap. Pero paglabas mo, kunwari, pilay ka.
Diba?
Tatay ko naman, yung kunwaring pilay.
Ika ka. Wala yung Pero ngayon, hindi na. Thanks to the all gender
Yeah,
classroom.
oo,
no?
oo.
Kasi
Classroom na
ang reasoning din naman kasi niyan is iihi ka lang naman. So,
Oh.
for me, I really like the all-gender restroom kasi iihi ka lang eh. You're just gonna do your business. Well, di ba sa bahay mo nga, sa sarili mong bahay, wala ka namang for
Totoo.
females at for males, di ba? So,
I also feel like that, naalala mo diba ang laking issue niyan dati? That whole hullabaloo of about the where to banyo, ganyan-ganyan,
Yes,
diba? It's parang tingin mo yung reasoning ng mga tao, puro generalizations.
yes.
Na kesyo,
Yes.
pag ang bakla sa babae mag-CR, kawawa naman yung mga babae, baka
Correct.
mamanyak. Parang,
Correct. Oo,
ano ba,
there's
lahat ba
this-
ng bakla masama ang ugali? Ano ba?
I'm not saying that, predatory behavior does not exist. But
Oh,
there is, correct.
There is, pero not to generalize,
to generalize na parang lahat na lang na nag-enter ng is may tangka.
Oo,
Ganun.
di ba?
So,
Parang, girl, relax.
Oo, chill ka
Sister
lang.
ka niyan.
Mas maganda pa yan sa'yo.
Kasi speaking of that, yung mga, ito na naman ako, yung mga non-sequitur na ganyan, pare. Non-sequitur. Hindi kasi may nagsabi dati na police officer na kapag ang bading nalalasing nagiging lalaki. So parang,
Natry ko
Basis
naman, parang hindi naman eh.
so parang automatic na pag tapos naging lalaki siya, pwede nagkagad siyang mang-rape? Hindi.
Hindi, di ba? Parang 1+, the math is not mathing.
Oo.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Tsaka kailan pa kung alam ko lang, di ba, di dapat
Naglasing ka na
nagpakalasing
lang.
na lang ako every day. Nakakalalaki pa lang ang paglalasing. Shit.
Meron. Ano ba
Pag
yan?
ako nga nalalasing, wiggle-wiggle ako ganun. Kung maglakad ako, straight line na, di ba?
Pag nalalasing bar, kumakatawa Whitney Houston ba?
I wanna dance with somebody.
Oh, cute yan. Love that.
Ay, bigla mawapa, salamin-salamin.
Bloom.
I love that. Sino pulis to?
meron akong
Nabasa.
post na
Na ganon?
Oh, tumigil na kasi ako mag-Facebook talaga. So, pero
Tama
dati-
si attorney na the generalize. We don't generalize, guys. Don't generalize. Everyone is different. Yeah.
Oo. Yung siguro babalik na lang din tayo sa kindness goes a long way.
Yep.
Diba?
Yep.
Parang,
What would Jesus do?
yeah.
Ako!
Kanta ng ama namin.
Hindi po namin
Bumalik ka
intention. We are just having a thoughtful
Conversation.
And we are expressing our freedom of expression.
Ako, I'm curious.
Yes.
What was it like nung time na nakulong ka as a gay person?
Oo nga.
Oo nga.
to be fair, very friendly ng mga inmates.
Kakosa mo doon.
Kakosa, no, really. Like, kasi siguro dahil alam nila na like pag may magbigay ng pagkain,
Pero
mabibigyan
ma'am,
din sila.
nung pumasok ka ba, alam nila kung anong ginawa mo?
Hindi lahat.
Hindi lahat. So,
Hindi
hindi
lahat.
sila updated.
Hindi lahat updated, pero alam lang nila na parang nakita nila ako sa TV and whatnot.
Kasi may TV, no?
Kasi I got, but
Gano'ng katagal ba?
3 days yung first arrest.
Okay.
And then the second arrest was 1 day. Ayun.
Can I just share? Sobrang stressful nung first 3 days na yun.
Yeah.
Kasi I
Weekend,
think, Saturday.
Yeah.
Kasi diba remember, nung time, parang pumasok kami Friday na.
Yep.
Oo.
Tapos, meron pa, supposedly hindi siya 3 days. Pero hindi naman, buti na lang nalaman ni
May
Attorney Lay na may Saturday sila.
Na fiscal sa Manila.
Oo.
So yun, kaya gulat na gulat lahat ng tao na Sabado, nakalaya siya.
Like, yes!
Ganda sana ko Sunday, no?
Papasalamat din ako sa Manila at bukas sila on Saturday.
Oo.
Kaya pakilift na po ang person.
Hindi naman, nalilift
Yorme.
ang persona. Hindi eh.
Ewan ko, resolution
Pwede,
lang
pwede,
yun.
bago
Oo,
resolution.
lang yun.
Hindi. Okay lang.
Pero gusto ko lang sabihin, ang sama ng loob ko dun sa mga pulis sa kulungan ng mga nito. Kasi nung nilabas namin siya, mukha siya haggard.
Oh.
Tapos parang, tas second time namin nagmi-meet nun, di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos nilabas na. Tapos, sir, pwede na ba kami mauna? Sabi, ma'am, kailangan lang po ng picture for documentation lang po. Sabi ng chief namin. Sabi ng chief nyo talaga yan, pag yan kuya, lumabas sa dyaryo, babalikan
lumabas
kita.
na,
At after 2 hours na sa dyaryo. Tapos itsura pa namin, hindi nga siya nakaganon
Nakapikit ako, nakaganon lang. Alam mo, hindi flattering talaga itong mga photos na to eh. Buti na lang yung mugshot ko, okay pa yun eh. Pero yung
Girl,
parang...
nakaganon ka eh.
Nakaganon lang. Like, ano yun?
Pinili talaga nila yun.
Kasi,
Diba?
kasi it was just one shot, ma'am.
Yes,
One
yes.
shot lang yun. Tapos kaya itsura ko doon, hindi rin ako masaya. Kasi parang, pucha, para saan ba to? Ganon.
Naka-burst
Binalikan
yun,
mo
tas
ba siya? Binalikan mo yung...
Hindi, pero ngayon, unasa ka mang pulis ka, maling ginawa mong yun.
Kilala kita.
Ikaw, ha?
Siguro ikaw yung nagsabi.
Sinabi ko sa'yo, hindi ko tayo gusto mo
Siguro
lumabas
ikaw
sa
yung
dyaryo.
nagsabi na kapag lasing.
Doon ka lang malambing.
Tapos kaya I had to, yung nag-break ng picture niya,
Yeah,
taga-ABS-CBN, I had to message her on Twitter and say that I did not consent to the publication of this
yeah.
photo. So they cropped me out. Kaya lang
So,
kasi...
ganun pa rin yung mukha ko.
I could not speak for you. Kasi nga parang, okay, sige.
Alam niyo, kayong mga media people, kayo piliin niyo naman yung maganda ko picture. Ang dami naman
Ang dami
dyan eh.
naman dyan.
Kahit yung na-acquit ako, puro yung mga nakangiwi or ano ba?
Parang nananadya ba kayo?
Pwede niyo
Buti
po
na
siya
lang yung iba
kontakin, mag-send siya
magaganda.
ng picture sa inyo.
Masasend ko yung latest.
Training kasi na parang si Barney Stinson. Pare.
Yung kahit anong
kahit
angulo.
bagong hatching picture, tapos nakaganyan ka.
Pero
Yeah.
ma'am, paano nga yun sa kulungan?
Oo, in those 3 days, wala ka namang naramdaman na parang yung mga tao sa loob, makakakosa mo na
No,
parang...
they were very protective with me to the point na sabi nila, huwag niyong galiwin si Pura, prinsesa yan. Sabi ko, okay. Galing sa, gaya kay mayor yon yung mayor
Ma'am,
ng Zelda.
Hindi siya mayor. Mayor.
Ay, mayor. Sorry.
Mayor?
Naisip ko si Isko.
Hindi.
siya si Yorme, siya si
mayor.
Yorma.
Ano ba? Pareho lang naman yun.
Pero that's telling something Kasi akala mo yung mga nakakulong dun, mga halang.
No, not at all. Sobrang mababait sila. I mean, some of these people are petty crimes nga lang din, tas hindi naman like mababait sila. Tao din sila. Yun yung natutunan ko dun eh.
Gusto ko yung sinabi mo dun sa isang na yung isang kasama mo sa kulungan, yung niya, ang pagnanakaw niya, ang hobby niyang nakawin ay mamahaling alak.
Yes. Si Tatay Yelo. O Yulo, na binabalaan niya yung name niya eh. So yun, ang
hobby niya.
Ang specialty niya is magnakaw ng mamahaling alak.
Mamahalin lang
Sinasabi niya
Ininom
talaga.
niya.
Hindi, binibenta niya. So,
So
nagnanakaw siya ng...
pumapasok siya ng store.
Oo, like tinitingnan niya, may faces yan, tinitingnan niya, matsyag, titingnan niya. Tapos may magde-distract, ganyan.
Ma'am, siya ang basis niya ay presyo mismo, ha? Kasi baka wine connoisseur pa
Hindi,
na to.
like, pwedeng, like, alam niya kasi yung mamahaling alak.
Paano niya alam?
Hindi niya sa boozy.
Binibenta niya actually sa, like, basta binibenta niya at a lower price.
Sa carousel. Charot. Ano?
Oh, pwede. Oo nga.
Hindi mo titrace siya doon.
Oo, pwede.
Pero kaya nga siya nahuli kasi
Kasi na-trace siya.
yung binentahan niya is actually yung may-ari din ng alak.
Agagi.
Pucha, kaya siguro ako nakabili ng Blue Label na 3,000 lang, pare.
Ayun yun. Siya
Baka
yun.
yun, ano?
China yan, China.
Baka
Blue Label, yung...
Mahal ba yun dapat?
hindi ko rin alam, hindi ko rin magets
Ano
pero
eh?
there are liquors talaga that are really really expensive. I don't know.
So ano siya? Theft?
Theft pero ano kasi minsan the police would I don't know. There are claims na frame din siya for other things. Eh matanda na si
Koya.
Koya. Like alam mo yung parang tipong talaga pag if you see senior citizen in the jail cell, maawa ka talaga. Like parang tatay, baka gusto mo bang ano like
Nung pumasok ka, may mga fears ka ba nun? About being inside?
Hindi naman. Like,
Talaga?
No, honestly, kasi I had ang uncle that I visited sa Bilibid when I was in college na ang kaso niya pa nun is murder. But ang point ko is, when you really get to know people in the cell, they're just people. So I don't fear the ones that I'm with because they're generally nice. They haven't, done anything naman to me or like ang medyo power trip lang doon yung ibang police but hindi rin lahat ng police are actually may mga bababait din.
Yung nagpicture sa amin.
Actually,
Feeling ko. Feeling ko
Nababalikan
talaga,
ni
siya
Lane.
yun.
may nagbigay na ng Jollibee. Tapos,
kinuha niya.
Kinuha niya yung isang Jollibee meal.
Kinuha nila, kinuha niya.
Oo. Sabi ko, sige lang ka, baka gutom yung police. Pero,
Ako yun.
okay. Pero yun.
Pero ma'am, how are the conditions? Paano ang banyo? Paano ang
The conditions
food?
were really, really bad.
Really? Common banyo, of course.
Yes,
Ano
like
tsura?
parang yung agusan nga ng tubig was parang kahoy lang yung
Ha?
pangtakip.
Ha?
Walang faucet.
Oh,
Tapos,
ginaganon lang siya.
ginaganon lang siya na
siya.
may kahoy lang na dinidikdik doon sa
So
tube.
ano siya, parang pipe?
Oo, tapos
Tapos
hindi
kahoy lang, parang stopper.
correct,
ganon.
tapos hindi ka rin sure kung malinis doon rin sila umiinom, yung pinaliligo nila.
So yung lumalabas sa mga movies na sabon, tapos nalaglag mo.
Wow.
Grabe. The imagination.
Weirdly,
Hindi kasi laging ano yun,
Laging
diba?
ganun, ano?
Joke yun sa mga movies.
Ah,
diba?
walang
Nasa
ganun, walang
prison
ganun.
ka, o mo lalaglag yung
Hindi
sabon
ko naman,
mo.
hindi ko pa naman nalaglag yung sabon doon.
Body wash.
Ang
Body wash.
toilet,
Shared toilet. May toilet doon.
Walang
pero,
flush.
Manual flush. Ganun.
How many kayo sa cell?
Sa first arrest ko kasi, 7 lang kami. Pero hindi kasi ako sinama doon sa...
pero nakita ko yun eh, may maliit.
Yes,
tas
may
sa
maliit.
gilid.
Parang, yun yung parang cell for like, parang ano ba, temporary cell.
Oo.
Tapos meron talaga yung nakakumpulat ng mga
Sa
babae at
kabilang
lalaki. Yung sa second arrest ko, dahil naglipat na sila, nag-improve na yung facilities
Same
ng
precinct.
Manila Precinct. Yeah.
Oh,
Na
nandun
may
ba yung police na
elevator
yun?
na sa presinto, girl.
What?
May shooting range sa taas.
Wow.
Sana may faucet na.
Harap to ng SM San Lazaro. Puntahan nyo na lang yung cell. It's worth visiting. Maganda na siya ngayon.
Visit lang.
Visit
Huwag kayo,
kayo.
Visit lang, huwag kayo magsistay, ha?
Pero visit lang. Gumanda na yung facilities nila. So, pero yung unang facility, yung unang precinct was not that good. It was
Okay.
really bad. But, ako naman, akala nila, hindi ako sanay sa hirap. Sanay ako sa hirap, girl. Hindi bago sa akin ng matulog sa sahig. Kasi nung bata ako, natutulog kami sa sahig. Hindi kami ganun ka...
May mga electric fan, no? Wala.
Meron naman. Mm-mm.
Ma'am, siya no feeling na nasa-serve ng warrant of arrest.
Yun, oo.
Ayun. Ha,
Sanay kasi ako mag-serve.
Ng warrant of arrest.
Ikaw yung nasa-servan.
Oo.
Okay lang.
Was it alarming?
Sobrang nonchalant nito.
Okay lang.
Ikaw ba si
Nakulong
Bini
na to,
Gwen?
ah.
Hindi, ano kasi, nung nangyari yon, sinabi ko lang talaga sa police kasi naka-civilian yung mga police. Sabi ko, pakainin ko muna yung pusa ko kasi di pa siya kumakain.
So, hindi ka alarmed? Hindi ka...
Hindi naman. It's more of like,
Pero
okay.
was there an idea na lalabas siya that day or biglaan?
Hindi rin. Actually, I don't think I would be arrested if it were for my cat. So, kasi my cat, di ko napakain yung cat ko. Kasalanan talaga ito ng pusa ko.
Teka, na-receive mo ba yung complaint?
No.
I was not able to receive
For Manila, no?
the subpoena. Oo. Like parang napunta siya somewhere else.
Bakit
And
may
then-
standing
So
warrant?
basically, ang nangyari was, a complaint had been filed. He did not know because
Yeah.
it was a wrong address
Yes, yes.
that was indicated in the complaint.
Correct.
Tumuloy-tuloy siya, nagkaroon ng reso.
Yes.
Tapos
Umakyat sa
nag-enter
court.
siya,
Oo.
file siya counter affidavit, but it was too late na. The counter affidavit was
Immediate-
treated as an MR.
Correct. Immediately when I didn't know, when I didn't receive the subpoena, pumunta talaga ako sa Manila
Nakasi.
City Hall. Like, nakadrag pa ako. Like, ate, ako na po ito. Nandito po ako. Ano ba? Pa-file na po namin ang counter affidavit. But it was already too late.
Oh,
Yeah.
it was already too late. So the counter affidavit was treated as an MR na lang, which was denied din naman.
Yeah.
So, kaya dumiretso sa taas. So, basically, procedurally, what we did was file a pet rev sa DOJ, which to date has not been resolved.
Meron pa rin akong pet rev since 2019.
Diba?
Meron
So,
sa Petrev. Ang tagal
yun na nga.
Ah.
So, may DOJ route. So, we did that to sort of hold in abeyance the court proceedings, but obviously limited lang yung period nun. So, nagtuloy-tuloy pa rin yung court. So, parang kami, sige, laban na natin to.
Tingin ko yung
Diba?
complaint affidavit, kinuha ng pusa mo. Talagang sinabotage ka niya.
Siya yung, para sa, alam mo yung...
Oh.
Hayop.
Alam mo,
Hayop
parang
yung
maintindihan ko
pusa.
naman kasi yung pusa ko kasi parang feeling ko na neglect ko rin siya.
Andyan pa ba yung pusa mo?
Ha? Boy pa rin siya. So, may anak na siya actually.
Wow, nag-propagate pa.
Si Art Jr. yung yung baby niya.
Wow, Junior, isa lang?
Oo. Mm-mm.
Tipid ah.
Wala lang. It shows na there's something na kailangan din talagang i-address when it comes to criminal procedure.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. In general then, like parang feeling ko even the justice system doesn't really favor the ones who don't have even resources to,
Oo eh.
But to be fair to our court, they were very fast.
Ah.
Kasi
Yep.
our case
Yep.
took all of 2 years.
yeah.
Mabilis.
Mabilis,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Mabilis
yeah.
yun. Oo.
Good.
So mabilis, sobrang bilis nga nila, diba? Parang hindi man lang nahabol yung counter affidavit ko, pero okay lang naman din yung proceedings namin, medyo
At
maganda yung
saka
pacing.
inabot kasi ng continuous trial rule eh.
Yeah.
Diba? So talagang
Okay.
nabigyan din ng atensyon. So, nakakailang minuto. Okay.
Ah.
So ano na naman nangyari sa episode na to? Parang na-carried away na naman tayo.
tayo
Kung ano-ano pinag-uusapan natin.
pero gusto ko rin naman kasi yung nangyari dun sa episode that we are talking about equality, right?
And the conversation is just very organic.
Oo.
Ayan.
Yes. I think I appreciate this episode in particular because it sends a message for people who are queer or not na there's a way around things and the recognition of people's experiences. It's important. Kung saan man mapunta tong usapan na to, basta kapupulutan ng aral.
Yeah.
Yes, worth it siyang pakinggan.
Except sa yung police ka na nag-take ng picture namin without our
Kung
consent.
mapapakinggan mo
Mo
to,
ito.
kilala ka namin.
Sana
Walang
masarap yung
ininipis.
Jollibee na kinain mo.
Kaya, ano major takeaway mo for our discussion?
Sa akin kasi medyo, doon na lang ako sa huli, medyo nag-dwell eh. Kasi, you are going to incarcerate a person. Di ba, bago ka naman kasi tanggalan ng liberty, dapat siguro na assure mo muna yung right ng tao na yun na doon sa chance niya na hindi actually maaresto eh. Di ba?
Yeah.
So doon ako nalulungkot. So there are things that are needed to be done in order to improve that because arresting someone means that that person would not be able to work. That person would not be able to be with their families. That person would be in a room na kahit nasabihin na nga natin na mababait kay Luca yung mga nakasama niya sa presinto, hindi natin alam sa ibang presinto.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So improvements must be done. And which is a good thing na nagkaroon nga ng continuous trial rule dahil in 2 years kasama na natin si Luca na malaya, 'di ba? Na gano'n. So yun yung sa akin na
How
improvements.
about you, Besh?
Ako we always go back to kailangan ng continuous na communication between the community and between each other. Diba? Tingin ko malaking bagay na meron tayong gantong avenue to talk about
Yes,
this.
yes.
No? So, sa kahit na maliit lang yung clout namin, sana lumaki.
Malaki yan, dadami yan.
At least we're able to have this venue to talk about these important things. No?
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, gusto ko yung sinabi ni Mamsh kanina na we have to recognize na meron din vote yung community.
Yes.
No? So kung may black vote, may bakla vote.
Tino! Wow!
Tayo doon. And
Yes.
makakatulong yun kapag mas maraming allies.
True. Tama.
So, not offering.
Offering.
So yun,
Nakakainis.
yun lang naman.
Ako ang takeaway ko, to disagree about things is not wrong.
Yes.
To disagree means that we are enriching each other with our own experiences.
Love that. Yeah.
Oo. And also, I think sa mga nanonood, if you feel deep inside you that there's something wrong, medyo call yon to rethink probably the principles and values that you got to know growing up. Kasi at the end of the day, Soji is all about pagpapakatao.
Tama.
How to treat people.
Tama.
Yun lang yun. If you feel like there is something wrong about treating the LGBTQIA community on the same level as the heterosexuals, usap tayo. Or makipag-usap ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo.
Tama.
Kasi yun nga, it's all about pagpapakatao. Tas ma'am, to be fair,
Yes.
I will still encourage you to go to law school.
Aww.
Because he was one of the, I think to date isa siya sa pinakamabilis makagets ng procedure.
Galing.
Sa lahat ng mga nakasama ko ng mga clients.
Yeah.
Kasi like gets ko, ma'am, demurrer tayo pero magmo-motion for leave muna tayo to file demurrer kasi papaalam muna tayo. Otherwise, gets niya eh. Tapos sa dami ng witness prep na pinuntahan niya, nagigets na niya ang flow ng
As a
testimony.
witness myself, I came to learn all of these legal jargons.
Is it something that is there?
Na-pique ang iyong interest.
It did. Like I felt like we have to have more lawyers
Ganda.
who are queer. You know, like more queer lawyers, more openly queer lawyers that can also help make good changes that if we can. I mean I know that not all lawyers are created equal, but you know, if you can do it, why not, diba?
Yeah. Kaya lagi from day one, ma'am, law school ka kaya?
Wait
Lalo
lang.
na ngayon, may online online JD program.
Galing, segue.
Kung na
Online
persona
JD
ng
program.
grata ka sa NCR saka sa Cavite, pwede ka mag-online
Pwede ka pa rin.
JD program sa
Tama,
Lazy.
okay. So,
Nakakaloka
May singit
to.
na lang.
So, galing. Mag-upsell.
Pero meron ka bang message para sa inyong counsel?
Wow!
Oo nga.
Alam ko lang na mamimiss niya ako.
I did. Honestly, okay, totoo to ha. Nung nagkaroon na lang
Iiyak na yan, okay.
sabi ko talaga na, paano na, hindi na tayo magkikita masyado. Gulo talaga ako. Kasi parang may konting bonding kasi when we go to the court.
We go to the
Ayan.
court, we go to the mall, we
We eat after.
we go to art galleries.
We analyze, we kind of like talk about it. Ayun. So parang, well, I am considering naman talaga. So,
Yan.
you know.
Yay. From clients to friends, ha? Alright.
And to, thank you so much for the
incarcerated
support.
Of course.
Law student.
Alam mo, it would make for a good story. So, yes, why not? Diba?
So, ano?
So, syempre dapat sa Lyceum na. No? Pero huwag natin consider ibang
Then, Lyceum na lang ba
Oh,
talaga?
Lyceum lang, yun lang ang choice natin.
Hindi pwede UP?
O kung, paano mo ini-end yung episodes mo?
I just say, God bless. Bakit? God bless us all.
Ayan. And with that, ako si Noel.
This is Lay.
Ako si JP.
And kasama namin uli si Puro Luca Vega. Salamat, Beshies. Good night.
Bye,
Thank you. Good night.
Beshies.
Bye-bye. Good day. Saya.
Naman tayo mapigilan.
One good thing is,
Almost, yun na yun.
Once again, kaya nga kami lagi napapalimutan. Uy, 9 minutes. Kasi stress ako kasi